distribution of heat. Now, talk about the heart. The heart is the hollow muscular organ which works continuously throughout a person's lifetime. It lies at the chest, behind the breastbone, and between the two lungs. Now, yes, I'll be explaining how it moves. Now, listen. This is the okay anterior. Okay. Now, listen. This is the superior or anterior vena cava. Listen, vena cava. This is the inferior or posterior vena cava. Now, the blood flows into the heart through the what? The veins. The biggest veins are the what? Superior and inferior vena cavas. I put it down somewhere. Now, it flows into where? It flows into the atrium. Atrium or right auricle. You can call it atrium or right auricle. Then this your right. So the blood flows like this. So we can say the superior, this heart, but we can say this inferior and the superior vena cavas. Superior and inferior are here. So the blood flows like this into the heart. Now into this chamber, the first chamber, the auricle, then the ventricle. Right. Note they are the right ones, the right side. Don't forget, there are valves. There are valves. There are valves that allows opening and closing. From this chamber to this chamber, there's a door. Something like this, something like this, something like this. There's a door here. That's this place. It closes and opens like this. Close and opens like this. Close and opens like this. Just like an entrance. For just here. Okay. Okay. Have it. Have it. Have it. Don't worry. Just like an entrance. Just like an entrance. So these stuffs, this entrance here is called. Let me remove this right. Please note that this is right. This is right. This entrance is known as the what? Tricuspid what? Valve. Tricuspid valve. Now, don't forget, as it enters here, it moves. So this is the way it flows. This is the way it flows. There's a valve here. There's a valve here. There's a valve here. A mistake. There's a valve here, but wait, let me do it. Let me don't touch other points. There's a valve here. That valve is called the semilunar valve. Semilunar valves. So there are two, this one and this one, the semilunar valves. So the blood flows like this, flows like this, flows like this. Do you know where it's going to? It is going to the lungs. Here is still the part two. It's going to the left lungs at this point. Going to the what? The right lungs. The right is going to the right lungs. Now, the purpose of it going to the right and left lung is to do what? To get oxygenated. The blood flowing from the vein is deoxygenated. So for it to get to the what? To the lungs is to get what? Oxygenated. Now, the blood vessel that takes blood away from the heart is the artery. But the artery here is what? Pulmonary. The artery here is also what? Pulmonary. You get? So that's just it. Then, blood is coming back now. Blood is coming back. Follow. Blood is coming back. Let me use some marker. Blood is coming back. Blood is coming back into the heart. Right lungs. Blood is coming back into the heart from the right lungs. The vessel that flows blood back to the heart is what? The veins. But these veins that flows from the lungs to the heart is what? Pulmonary veins. Pulmonary veins. Now, as it flows back to the heart, see where it goes. See where it goes. It enters here. It enters here. There's a valve here. Enters. Here is the left auricle. The left auricle. Then here is the left ventricle. Flow with me now. I told you there's a valve here. This valve is called bicuspid what? Valve. Bicuspid valve. Now, as it flows to the what? To the not pulmonary again. To the aorta. Aorta is the largest artery. It's moving now to the body. It's moving to the body. is moving to the body. You get it moves from the right and left lungs with oxygenated blood into the what the left atrium and what the the left ventricle. Then through a channel, there is a this thing here. There's a valve here. That valve is also called semilunar what valve. So there are two semilunar valves. Then here is what try before you what you buy. Let me explain now. Blood enters the heart. Deoxygenated blood enters the heart. Deoxygenated blood enter the heart through what? The superior and inferior what? Vena cavas. When it enters the heart, the first point to reach will be what? The right and right atrium and right what? Ventricle. Now from the right atrium and right ventricle, it moves into the what? Into the lungs. You get it moves into the lungs. Now from the lungs, it gets oxygenated, just flow, leave the blood vessels that carry them, flow first, it moves into the what the lungs. Now from the lungs it gets oxygenated there and comes back to the heart again. That is what we call what pulmonary what circulation. You get it comes back to the heart again through pulmonary circulation. Now as it comes back to the heart, it will now be coming to the what the left what auricle. Oh, that's a mistake now. That reminded me, I wrote right 2 times. This is left. Sorry. Thank you very much. This is left. So it comes back again to the left auricle and left what ventricle. There's a valve that separates the auricle and the ventricle at the left side, which is called what bicuspid valve. Now there's a valve that separates the right auricle and right ventricle, which is called what the tricuspid valve. Don't forget how to remember it is what you try before you buy. If you want to buy something, you test it before you buy it. You try it before you buy it. If you want to